Greetings, colleagues, clients, friends, and family. This is the August R&R Team message, and we have a very unique message about what's hot in Denver these days. And so you know that Denver is a very hip market, right? And we really think that it's sweet that the buyers want these sweet deals. However, buyers are also needing the properties to be in a very cool and mod condition. So if you need help in deciding what's cool mod in this hip market for a sweet deal, give us a call, because we're your very, 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 very cool and hot R&R team. www.rnrteam.com